everyone, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, for this video, I'm going to be making an intro about another nursing school episode. Today, wala naman akong ibang update, but kanina nag-quiz lang kami and lecture. Right now, I just finished covering my books here, Anatomy and Physiology and Health as Educator. I'm gonna run through them because there are concepts that I need to understand fully kasi it is useful for our written demonstration. I need to study this. I'm currently done with the two. I don't know if you see it, but here it is. Yeah. Tanan it the chapters pag-add man to. So, buwas, I think makato kami sa library. Sana dari malubat na naman ang cellphone. And, hello, di pa nga nakapagluto. So, mga tao din eh. Parang balik ko na 1, 2. Alas na mo. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Romans, Corinthians, 1, 2. Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st and 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1, 2 Peter, 1st John, 2nd John, 3rd John, and lastly we have the Revelation. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Romans, Corinthians, 1, 2. Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st and 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1, 2 Peter, 1st John, 2nd John, 3rd John, and lastly we have the Revelation. We're done. Yeah, we're doing good.
Udah, na yan. Aduh, sana.
Drawing acrylic. Dapat maupay ita. Mga tekis. Exchanging arts. Choose your fighter. Pagka di ka mag-rise na naman. Hello everyone, so it's another day. It's April 17 and it's currently 3:40 p.m. Yan na, nagsastock ako. So we have here fries. Pinalit pa kakwa. Kasi nire-react na kasama nga to sa kasuri ko sa nabi. So ayoko yung pastos. And then, cheese at cheese powder. So yan kuan naman, siomay. So galit yan. Today, nag-lecture lang kami and then nag-perform classmate hand era return demonstration kasi next week pa kami. I'm gonna prepare for that. So let's eat guys. This is fries pero ayoko kasi dito ile cheese. So pinatan cheese powder. Grabe ka, realistic na mahit boarding house edition. Hello everyone, good morning. Today is April 18 and it's currently 7:27 a.m. And today makatok is even though waray ng classes because I have to join something for fun, and of course I really want to do arts also. So I'm gonna be joining poster competition na Natoy Biofests. I wasn't sure of this at first kasi pwede ng classes. Kagabi lang nakapag-desisyon na I wanna join. Wala naman akong ibang gagawin for today. Yun lang naman. Just to be productive and to do something. Ayoko naman dito humilata at natulog lang sa boarding house. And I'm gonna study naman after. Okay na iso. And I just finished getting ready. So I have here my shirt. See you there, guys. Namimiss ko yung diba kasi na mga sampay dito. Hello.
Hello po.
Hello guys.
Subscribe to her channel.
Hello guys, I'm here with my friends. The girls. We're just waiting for the others to finish explaining our artworks because I finished kanina. We're here at Babaw na. Say hi. Bye.
Hello po! What's up, mga people?
Sample lang ni sample. Oh.
Hoy! Hello, Myron kay Gisablano. How are you?
I'm creating memories.
Ay, gusto I'm creating baby.
Hoy! Grabe ka. Ano man? Kumusta yung mga exam?
Pokpoklain nga po.
Jessa, what's yours? Is it buy one take me or buy one take one?
Take one na burger na.
Sure.
Baby. Ano yung baby?
Di ba kasi
pinapalan?
di ba kasi ang damo nga.
Yun na pa naman ako. Napidyo ka ba? Tapos nahila ka mo.
Ayun ganto. Suri mo bali ante sige lang ato niya ko ano ni. Hindi kasi atin.
Dapat makarang niya.
Ako na lang guys.
Di ko mas
Ako na lang guys. Hello everyone! Before ending this vlog, I just want to share my thoughts on the things that I did today. I was able to make my day so productive and I was very happy for that. And kesa naman humilata ako dito at matulog, I wanna do something. So I joined the poster making competition for fun. Unfortunately, I didn't place, but I was really happy because I was able to talk with my friends, Habayo. For those of you who doesn't know, I was a biology student back then, and then I shifted to nursing. That's why I'm a nursing student right now, currently a first-year nursing student. And I got the certificate of participation for the poster making competition. It's here. And kanina, before joining the competitions, I was really contemplating if makakapag-join ba ako. Supposedly kasi may classes kami today, but it was canceled since mom kasi may meeting today nga important. So that's why the classes were canceled. And basically, I grabbed the opportunity to join kasi parang sign na damati nga mag-join up. So after 2 years, I was able to join another poster making competitions kasi the last time I joined, I was in senior high school. I also didn't place in that poster making competition, pero happy ako every time nagjo-join ako in Sugahit kasi I feel like diri man nasasayang tak effort kasi parang may dako natututunan. Yun lang naman. I just wanna share my thoughts with you guys. My little sense about the competition in general, not just restricted to the poster making competition. Siguro first is like you really have to pray. Like, you pray for guidance, you pray for understanding, and all of that. You pray for everything. Sometimes because sometimes a prayer is the answer to all of it. Second, siguro kapag nahadlik ka mag-fail, every time you join a competition, you have to understand that there will always be winners, okay? So, there will always be winners. And you have to understand that type of, setup. For example, every time that you're failing to win, you learn something. Something na pwede naman incorporate to your other competitions na makakapag-improve ka pa, makakapag-progress ka pa, whether be it on the aspects of knowledge and skills, of course. And then the third one is value the experiences. The third one na ba? If you already lost in some competitions that you have joined in the past, don't be afraid to try again. Have the courage to try again because it will not always be the case. Kasi every time you join a competition, you will always have the 25% or 50% na possible na ikaw magdaog. That's all for my little sense about some competitions in general. And today, I was able to really make my day productive. I was able to hang out with my friends. I was able to talk to them. Miss ko na rin sila. So, yun na lang nagkamaydaan yung time. Kaya maupay nga nakapag-istorya karami. Thank you guys for those of you nga nag-good luck haak. Yan na, after hin, I just wanna rest. See you guys in my next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can watch my other videos that is uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay, bye guys.